Thank you so much for returning to my YouTube channel. My name is Vonalyn. I'll be playing with more lipsticks and actually maybe some eyeshadows and coming up with a lipstick combo that I'm going to be sharing in this video. I'm going to be leaving all the items that I'm using here on my lips down in the description bar below. Let's rewind the tape and let's start off with some lip liner. So we're going to be starting off with the lip liner. I'm going to be listing all the colors down in the description bar below. This is Plumberry from Laura Mercier. So let's go ahead and line the bottom of our lips. Very lightly. I wanted to find a lip color that actually is almost the same tone actually as my lips. So that's the reason why I chose actually this lip liner. Let me swatch it for you. That's the color. Right there. Line the top. Okay, rub my lips together. Maybe put just a little bit in the center. Put the lip color on the side. So the lipstick that we're going to be putting on is actually in Sass. This one is actually from Tarte. This is their dual-ended lipstick where you have lipstick on one side and lip gloss on the other. So let's line the bottom. Line the top. Okay, so let me swatch the lipstick next to the lip liner. This is just one swipe. This one is in Sass from Tarte Cosmetics. Since I have a Tarte lipstick on, I'm going to gravitate towards one of my eyeshadow palettes from Tarte. This one actually has a mix of shimmers and mattes, but I'm going to be gravitating towards this gold in the center with my synthetic brush that I actually found on Amazon and going right in the center. And a little bit on the top. Not having to reload. I think I have enough color. That one came out good. So I'm going to be swatching the eyeshadow next to the lipstick. So we got the lip liner, the lipstick, and the shimmer. I think that this combination came out absolutely beautiful. So since my makeup was a little bit on the neutral side, I really didn't want a dark lip. I wanted more of a neutral lip. So I decided to go with this particular color. Now you do notice that it is a little darker, but once you go ahead and add the shimmer, it kind of blends it down a little bit. I didn't want a dark burgundy color because I need to run some errands today. So I hope that you had as much fun as I did as I was able to show you one more lipstick combo here on my YouTube channel. So my name is Vonalyn Naipo. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. But until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha and have a beautiful and productive day. Bye-bye.